When your Victory scooter arrives, there will only be one box that will contain the entire unit plus the seat. Cut the banding and remove the styrofoam packaging. Be sure to remove the arms from the packaging as well. When you have removed the unit and all of the components from the box, you can begin to assemble. Note: no tools are required for assembly. Adjust the tiller to the upright position by loosening the adjustment knob. Remove the battery shroud and connect the batteries and place the battery shroud back in its position. Place the seat on the seat post and make sure it is in locked-in position. Place the armrest in the receiver and line up the holes in order to pull the small detent pin in place, and then tighten the thumb screw knob. Repeat on the other side. Note: the large detent pin is for the rear accessory receiver. Place the basket on the front of the tiller and remove the sticker and place the key in the key switch. Turn on and test the unit to assure that it works properly, including the front light. Your Victory scooter is now complete. For further assistance, please contact your Pride Mobility representative. And thank you for choosing Pride for all your mobility needs.